Yes, hello everyone, and welcome to today's class. And today is day 34 of our web development course. Today is day 34 of our web development course. And today we're going to look at more application of variables and string concatenation and string concatenation. Concatenation. Catenation. Okay? Okay, so members, this is what we're going to look at today's class. Okay, in today's class, we're going to look at string concatenation and more application of variables. Okay, okay. So, members, before I can dive into today's class, I would like to first give a hint about what you're going to cover. What you covered yesterday's class. Yesterday was day 33, and we introduced variables. Okay, we introduced variables. Okay, looked at variables, for example, const. Eh? Looked at const. Looked at variables, for example. Looked at variables, for example, let. Eh? Let. We looked at variables, for example, var. Okay. Okay. So we learned how variables. We learned how to use these variables. We learned where to use them. We even learned even the rules of variables. Eh? Even learned the rules which govern variables. Yeah. Where we are not supposed to repeat variables, where we are supposed to write them. We're not supposed to begin with numbers when you're writing these variables. We're not supposed to put those symbols when you're writing the variables, leaving spaces. This was a very good class. And members, those ones who missed, you can go back yesterday's video, then you watch it because it is a continuation of today's video. Okay? Okay. So I can remove this for some time. This is what we covered yesterday's class. That's a brief recap. And tomorrow's class, tomorrow we're going to look at data types. Okay, tomorrow is going to be day 35. I'm going to look at data types. Okay, data types. Okay, data types. Okay, okay. So members, I'm not likely to miss tomorrow's class. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, you can please hit the subscribe button. Then you don't miss on any of the upcoming videos. Okay. Okay, because we are going to really cover a lot, and it will not look very good if you miss out any of these videos. Okay, okay. Tomorrow we are going to look at data types. Tomorrow is going to be day 35. Okay, okay. So members, this is what you're going to cover in tomorrow's class, and I'm not likely to miss out. Okay, okay. So today I'm going to look at application of variables and string concatenation. Okay, okay. So members, we have learned really a lot. We have learned variables. We have learned how to use const. Const. We have learned how to use let. We have learned how to use var. Okay. I think right now you look to be a little bit ready. We are going to begin bringing some exercises here in today's class. Also, you're going to look, and we're going to apply some bit of logic. We're going to apply some bit of logic when we are doing these things right now. Okay, okay. So that is how JavaScript is. It's more of something that is a little bit behind the scenes. But you will see we are going to reach that level whereby we are now applying it on the front end. That is the most juicy part about it. Okay. But I would like you to first master all these things. Master each and everything that you are doing. When you begin applying it on the front end, that will just be juice. It will just be like juice. Very be nice. It will just be nice to just be a walkover. Okay? Okay. And today, before we can dive into this, I would like us to first go through our warm-up. Our warm-up is that which enables us to practice these things and we don't forget any of the concepts. Okay? Okay, and this warm up, I want a warm up like this. We are going to console.log. We are going to console.log. What can I say? I'll give a simple text. We are going to console.log from 1 up to 20. 1 up to 20. That's the first test. Okay, 1 up to 20. Then the second test is the second text is I want us to get a square root. A square root is going to be a square root of a square, not a square root, a square, of 1 up to 30. 1 up to 30 square root. Okay? Square root, not square root, squared, squared of 1 up to 30, okay? Okay, so I want it something like this, okay? We are going to do this, power 2, okay? 1 up to 30, okay? 1 up to 30, okay? So our last one will be 30 squared, okay? I want us to get this and we put it in the console. I want us to get this and we put it in the console, okay? Okay. So today that is the simple task that we have at hand right now in our warm-up, okay? 1, 2, 2 squared, 3 squared, 4 squared, 5 squared, 6 squared, like that up to 30 in the console. This one and this one, okay? Okay. And now something that I want next, I want us to get the modulus. Get the modulus. Modulus, after doing that, we are going to get the modulus. Eh? I want someone who is going to get, we are now going to look at, we are going to get the our map is going to have also modulus, okay? Modulus of this. Modulus of, you're going to get the modulus of 100 divided by 50, modulus of 96 divided by 4, modulus of 45 divided by 7, and modulus of, then we have modulus of 5 divided by 6, 5 divided by 6, okay? You're going to get only those ones, okay? Only those ones. We have here 4 moduluses. 100 divided by 5, 96, not like this, it's supposed to be like this. 100 modulus 4, and 45 modulus 7, and 5 modulus 6, okay? Okay, so members, these are the only modulus. This is the warm-up we have today in today's class. Modulus of this, modulus of this, modulus of this, modulus of this, okay? Okay? I want to see those things in the course, so that is our warm-up before we start today's class, okay? Okay, so we are going to come. There is day 34, lessons. In my lessons file, JavaScript class, we begin. New folder, today is day 34, okay? There is day 34, okay? Okay, so today is day 34, we are going to start. Open with code, day 34. Day 34 is like that. So I'm going to come here and I open, I say index.html, my file here, index.html, index.html, okay? So I come here and wait for it, it's loading. You know, it takes some time because I have extensions, a lot of extensions in the background. Okay, it's there. Then I come here, it says my style.css. Okay, so I always start with this so that we don't forget these concepts, because you're going to use these concepts interrelated. Yeah, you want to use them when they are combined together. Okay, so we first begin with this thing. We always begin with that always. Okay, so I come in like this and I connect here. I put the mx there, mx abbreviation is there, and I come here and I say star here, margin 0, padding 0, box sizing, border box. Okay, okay. So members, this is how it looks like, and here we have here it's like that. Okay, so I'm going to come here. I first put my body. My body is here, as you see. My body is the outside container. I come here. I say body. I say width 100%, 100%. I come here height 100 vh, 100 vh. And I come here and I say I put inside my body, I put here box. Inside my box is going to be inside my box is going to be just a word. Yeah, JavaScript class. That's enough. JavaScript class. JavaScript JavaScript class. Okay, JavaScript class. Okay. So I come here like this. I put here dot box. I come here like this. I say this is width. Width I can say maybe 250, 500 pixels. And I come here like this and I say height. I give here, for example, 250 pixels. And I come here and I say background color. I come here and I say orange red. And I come here and I say display flex, align item center, justify content center. Okay. So it looks like this, and even here I am going to also put here display flex, align item center, justify content center. As simple as this. Justify content center. Okay. So I'm see here it looks like in my browser right now. When you go live, it's coming. So it looks like this, eh? Oh yeah, okay, yeah. Now I'm seeing we had forgotten to link here, link CSS. Okay. So it looks like this, okay? JavaScript class. Come here, I click the font size. I can maybe say this is extra large. Then I come here, you say color, font weight, maybe 600. Then here color white, okay? Color white, okay? So remember, as you can see, it looks like JavaScript class, okay? But now at the moment, this one is not important to me. That's one I just do it when you're starting our JavaScript class, okay? My importance is always the console. Guys, at this moment in time, your best friend should be your console. Your best friend should be the console. I should re-echo it here. Your best friend should be the console, okay? Your best friend should be the console. Should be the console, okay? Your best friend should be the console, okay? I re-echo that. That's why we do warm-ups, which are intense, so that your best friend becomes the console. We are going to be using the console all the time in the future to come, okay? So and I'd like someone to get used to this, because if the console disturbs you at this stage, you will face a lot of challenges come in the future, okay? So right now your best friend should be the console. You getting me? Okay. So we're about to start with our warm up. After our warm up, we do this. What you're supposed to do today. Okay. Warm up first. I come here. I say warm up. Warm-up.js. Okay. Warm-up.js. I come here like this, and we are going to start. Our test one. Our test one. I come. I said we are going to start with the console here. We are going to start with the console here. Warm up console. Okay. 1 up to 20. Okay. In the console. Console.log. I say it is 1 up to 20. 1 up to 20. Okay. 1. Okay. I come here console.log. Console.log. I put here 2. CLG 3. So members, they have now going to introduce you to a new way of putting console. Instead of writing there console.log, like here, console dot log, then you put like this, then you put in, for example, 3, just put something like this, CLG, it's enough, CLG, then you tap on that CLG which comes, it will be console.log, then you write in what you're supposed to put inside there, okay? That's the new way I've introduced that to you. I knew it before, but I wanted you guys to first get used to this, okay? So CLG, just put there CLG like that, we go. We are going 1 up to 20, okay? Okay, so we are now on 3. I say here CLG, I put here 4. So how to say it looks like in the console? Okay, yeah. So there, why? Script. There is no script here. Script, I'm going to look the script. Here, warmup.js, okay? Okay, warmup.js, the script is there. I've linked my script here with what? What is here in the file here. So when I come here, it's there. 1, 2, 3, 4, okay? Okay, it's there. 4. We are now going. Now we are going here CLG tap on CLG 5, okay? Then we go and you see CLG 5 is there, okay? It's there 5, okay? Now we are going CLG 6. CLG in full is console.log, okay? 6, it's there 6, okay? We are going up to 20. CLG 7, okay? Up to 20. CLG 7, okay? It's there. Then CLG 8, okay? CLG 8, okay? Okay, it's there. Then CLG 9, okay? When we are done with string concatenation and even application of variables, we shall begin even using them in our warm up. But for today, there's class. Let's first focus on this until we finish today's class. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 9. Now we have to go up to 20. CLG 20, 10 here. Okay? Then I say here CLG. So console.log should become your best friend right now. Okay? Console.log should become your best friend. Okay? CLG 12. Okay? CLG 13. Okay? CLG 14. CLG 15. CLG 16. CLG 17. CLG 18. CLG 19. Okay? And CLG console.log 20. Okay? 20. Console.log 20. Okay? So let's see how they look like. Okay, they are here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay? Okay, so our first test is done. We're now going to this one here. 1 squared up to 30 squared. Okay? Okay, that's my test 2. Test 2. Test 2. Test 2. Okay? Okay, CLG 1 squared. Okay? 1 squared is that one. Okay? Gives me what? 1. You see it? It's there. CLG, 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 2 squared or 2 exponential. Eh? 4. You see it there? CLG, 3 squared. 3 squared or 3 exponential. Exponential of 2. 9. Okay? We are going up to 30 now. CLG 4 squared. Okay? Up to 30. We are going up to 30. Answer is 16. Okay? CLG 5 squared. 5 squared. Giving me 25. You see 25 there. Okay? CLG 6 squared. 6 squared. giving me 36, okay? And I come here, CLG 7 squared, 7 squared, giving me 49. CLG 8 squared, 8 squared, giving me 64, okay? CLG 9 squared, okay? Giving me 81, okay? 9 squared. CLG 10 squared, 10 squared, giving me 100, okay? We are going up to 30, remember. CLG console.log 11 squared, okay? Giving me, what is it giving me? 121, okay? CLG 12 squared, 12 squared, or 12 exponential squared, or 12 exponential 2, they are the same. Okay, gives me 144. You see it there? It is there. CLG 13 squared, giving me 169. You see it? It's there. CLG console.log 14 squared, okay, giving me 196, okay, good. CLG 15 squared, giving me 225, okay, that's good. Okay, CLG 16 squared, like that. See, 16, not 15. 16 squared. Come here, CLG 17 squared. This is what we are doing in today's class, okay? 18 squared. This is a warm up. This is a warm up. This is a warm up. This is a warm up, okay? Warm up, warm up, warm up, warm up, warm up, warm up. 18 squared, giving me 324, okay? That's good. CLG 19 squared, 19 exponential 2, they are the same, okay? Okay, console.log CLG 20 squared, okay? 400, okay? CLG 21 squared, okay? Giving me 441, okay? Okay. CLG 22 squared. So members, the harder we go, we are going to begin bringing in even advanced concepts in our warm-up, okay? We are going to begin looking taking interest in what you're studying every day, because we shall be building on that in each and every warm-up, okay? Okay, as time goes on. 529, okay? CLG 24 squared, okay? I look at it, I see 579, okay? CLG 25 exponential 2, giving me 625, okay? CLG 26 squared, giving me 627, okay? CLG 27 squared, okay? 729, okay? Then CLG 28 squared, giving me 784, okay? CLG 29 squared, 29 squared, okay? Giving me 841, okay? Then CLG 30 squared, okay? Giving me, wow, that one is done, 900, okay? Okay? Okay, that's what is done, okay? 30 exponential 2 is the same as 30 squared, okay? Okay, then we go into our third test 3 of our day. Test 3 of our day, okay? Okay, so what I want to do, we have here modulus of 100 out of 50. What does it going to give me? Okay, modulus of 150, okay? CLG, I come here, 100 modulus 2, giving me modulus 50, not 2. Giving me, what is the answer it gives me there? Let me see the answer it gives me. 0. Because you understand why I said 0 here? Because there is no any remainder. When you divide 100 with 50, you get no remainder. That's why it gives us here 0. Okay? Okay. So our next one is 96 divided by 4. Okay? Okay. So console.log CLG 96 divided by 4. 96 modulus 4. Okay? Giving us what? Giving us what? 0. Okay? When you divide 96 by 4, it gives us 0. What do you get when you divide 96 by 4? You don't get any remainder. Okay? Okay. So that one is good. Now, we have this one here. 45 divided by 7. 45 divided by 7. CLG 45 divided by 7. 45 modulus 7. Okay? I want to see how it looks like. 45 modulus 7. Okay? Gives me what answer? 3. Okay? 3. Okay? 3 as our remainder. Okay? Okay. So, then, and the remainder is 3 when you divide 45 by 7. Okay? You get it remains the same remainder, and that remainder is 3. Okay? Okay. Then when we have here, for example, 5 modulus 6, that's why I know that one. Everybody knows what that one is, even before you can speak that one. Can you guess what that one is? Log, console.log. Eh? 5 modulus 6. Very, very easy. The answer is, even before you can even look there, the answer is 5. Let us see if I'm correct. Answer is 5. Yeah, the answer is 5. 5 modulus 6, the answer is 5 because there is no any remainder and 5 cannot divide 6. By default, 5 cannot divide 6, so it returns 5. Okay? Okay. Guys, it has been great going through the warm-up with you guys. If you skip this warm-up here, you will take a very long time to understand JavaScript. You will take a very long time. It will take a very long time to understand JavaScript. Long time to understand JavaScript. So make sure we do the warm-up when you're also active. Okay? Make sure you do the warm-up when you're also active. We are doing here, also you are doing there. We are doing here, also you are doing there. We are here on 21, also you do on 21. Like that. Okay? Okay. Okay? Okay. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section. I see how I can address them and I help you. Okay? Okay. So our warm-up is done. It has been great, guys. It has been really great. It has been really great. Okay? And fantastic. Our warm-up is done. Okay? Okay. So, in our console, you can see everything we have been doing is here. Okay? Everything we have been doing is here. Okay? Okay. So, our map is done today, and we are we're going to look at application of variables. Okay? Application of variables. We are going to keep applying these variables on and on and on and on again, on and on and on again. Okay? Okay. We're going to apply these variables on and on and on again. Okay? Okay? Okay. Understand, guys, try to understand, okay? Try to understand, okay? Okay. So, application of variables, that's what we have today. And string concatenation, okay? Application of variables and string concatenation, okay? Okay. So, how is application of variables going to be like? I want something like this. I want to get the area. What is the area? What is the area of a triangle which has width uh, its width is 10 centimeters, eh? And its height is 5 centimeters. Okay? What is the area of that triangle? Okay? What's the area of that triangle? I want to just give me the area of that triangle. I want to see that area in the console. That's the only thing I want to see. I want to see that area in the console. Give me the final answer. I want to see that answer in the console. Okay? I want that answer in the console. Guys, very fast. What's the area of a triangle whose width is 10 centimeters and height is 5 centimeters? Okay, that's what I want to know. I want the area of this triangle. Guys, very fast. What I want to do, I'm going to come here. This is Roma.js, okay? So even if I would have left this script here, but it's going to confuse me because I want to see what I'm working on, eh? So I just comment this one for some time, eh? I comment for some time. When I comment like this, it disappears here from the console. For some, this was our warm up, eh? Okay. So I just comment for some time. So I come here and I create app.js. Okay? App.js is here. And I come here and I link that one which I'm going to work in. I say here script source app.js. Okay? It's there. Okay? And members, members, never forget the word defer. Never forget the word defer here. This is a mistake. Never forget it. Never forget this word. We have not seen these challenges happening to us because we have not mixed JavaScript with HTML here. The day we begin mixing JavaScript, bringing the JavaScript here in HTML, you will see fire. Eh? Never forget the word defer here. Never. Never forget the word defer. Okay? Never forget the word defer here. Okay? Never, never, never forget this word here. Okay? It must be there. Okay? We look at the reasons why defer is important, and also look at them in the first day we cover JavaScript on day 31. Okay? Okay. So never forget that word. Okay? So my console is empty. As you can see, my console is empty. Okay? Okay. So I'm going to come here, and my app.js is here. What am I going to do? I want to get the area of the triangle. Area of the triangle. They have given me a task of getting the area of the triangle. Yeah? And I must show that area in the console. Okay? So what am I going to do? I know very well that area of a triangle is equal to a half. Yeah? Area of a triangle is equal to a half. Something like this. Yeah? Area is equal to a half. Something like this, a half. A half. Maybe times base times height. No. This one, members, I made some error here. Instead of width, it's supposed to be base, not width. It is instead of this one, it's supposed to be base, base. Okay, base. Its base is 10 centimeters and height is that one. Okay, okay. So members, it's base times height. Okay, base times height. Members, you see this times height. Okay, we know that formula very well in our mind. Yeah, we know that formula very well. So what I'm going to do? Yeah, I'm going to come here and I create here, for example, base. Yeah, I'm going to come here and I create here, for example, I can even come here, I say a half. I come here, I say const. I can even come here and say const a half. A half. Okay, is equal to maybe 1 divided by 2. Okay, I can come like that, I say like that. Then I come here, I say const base is equal to the base is what? If I look here, the base is which one? 10 centimeters. You see, 10 centimeters. Okay, 10 centimeters. 10. Okay, and I come here, I say const height. Members, don't put the capital letters mixing those things. We put stuff is small. Okay, and the height is how many? Is 5 centimeters. Okay, so that one you have seen, this one is 5 centimeters. Okay, then we have here, for example, now my area. Const area is equal to a half times base times height. Okay, so after defining the variables, I've got a variable for a half, a variable for base, I've got a variable for height. Okay, then I carry and I say console.log area. Okay, area. Okay, as simple as that. Come here, I say area of the triangle. Okay, I come here, I say area of triangle. Triangle. Okay, so as it looks like this console.log area of triangle is like that. Okay, so I'll say how it looks like in the console. 25 members. Wow, this is great. 25. Are you seeing this? My area of the triangle is 25. Okay, area of the triangle is 25. Okay, so members, that is good. But let me just give you, for example, let me just say maybe this is height of triangle, and maybe say base of triangle, triangle. Okay, base of triangle. Okay, don't misspell. Misspelling can cost you. Okay, misspelling can cost you. Triangle, okay, triangle, base of triangle, and height of triangle, okay, so members, this is good. You see here, it is 25, as you see it there, 25. Okay, so that area is the answer for this is here, 25. Okay, so members, you are learning each and every day that goes by, you are improving. Okay, the area of the triangle is 25 centimeters. Just add that cm at the end. Okay, now if I have, for example, like a rectangle which is like this, if I have, for example, like a rectangle which is like this, it has width, its width, as you see it here, is 30 centimeters. 30 centimeters. Okay, its height, as you see its height here, is 12 centimeters. Okay, it's 12 centimeters. Okay, so this one here was example 1. Example 1, and now we are going to example 2. Example 1, We're now going to example 2. Okay? Okay. Example 2. Example 2. Okay? Okay. So members, you can see example 2 is that one, is there. So that is centimeters and 12 centimeters. This is the width and this is the height, okay? So how you get the area of the triangle is very simple. The area of the rectangle. Area of rectangle, you know it. Area of a rectangle. Area of a rectangle. Of a rectangle is equal to width times height But we know this very well. Okay, so how are you going to do this? I'm going to come like this. I say const width width is what? Width of triangle of width of rectangle is equal to width of rectangle. What is the width of a rectangle here? 30 centimeters. Okay, 30. Okay. Then const width of triangle, height of rectangle, okay, is equal to height of rectangle is equal to 12 centimeters. Okay, 12 centimeters. Okay, I'll not put the cm there to confuse you. Put that one. Okay, then I come here. I say const area of the rectangle now. Area of rectangle. Okay, rectangle. Okay. So the area of rectangle is going to be width of the rectangle times height of the rectangle times height of the rectangle. As simple as that. Okay, and I say here console.log area of the rectangle. As simple as that. Okay. So I want to see how that area looks like in our console here. 360. Wow. Guys, this is really nice. Okay. This is really nice. Okay. So it is 60. Okay. It is 360 centimeters. Okay. It looks it's here 360. Okay. Members, this is really nice. This is really nice. Okay. So members, we are going on learning a lot of concepts and we are going to apply them. Okay. So members, we have learned a lot of concepts and we are going to apply them where necessary. Okay. Members, go on. We are going to keep applying them. Okay. So as I can see here, I also want to give an example here. There's a reason why I'm giving these examples. There is a reason behind each and everything why I'm giving these examples. Okay? There's a reason why I'm giving these examples. I'm not giving them for formality. There is something that I'm testing. And I'm going to reveal that to you at the end. Have a simple square. All sides are equal, as you know. The sides are equal. The square has very well how do you calculate area of a square? For example, here is 6 centimeters. And also this side is 6 centimeters. Width and height, they are all equal. They are all equal. Okay? 6 centimeters. Okay? Width and height, they are all equal. Width and height. You can come here and search here. I know is it width and height? I just want to confirm. Area of square. of square, formula of square, formula, formula, formula. Hmm? Okay, yeah. Now I can see. Area squared, area of all sides are equal. Area squared, I can see here. All sides are equal. Eh? Yeah, all sides are equal. All sides are equal. Yeah, I can see that. All sides are equal. Okay? So we have here all sides are equal. This one looks to be like the width and this one looks to be like the height. Eh? Are you seeing it? So the area of this of the circle is like 8 squared. Okay? This side is equal to this side. Okay? So if this one wants to look like the width and this one wants to look like the height. Eh? Are you seeing it? Are you seeing, guys? Eh? So all sides are equal. So area of a square is like as if area of a square, area of a square is like all these sides here, just square them. Eh? So they will be like, for example, 6 centimeters, 6 centimeters times 6 centimeters, okay? Times 6 centimeters, okay? To get the area of the square, okay? Okay. So I've not yet confirmed it very well. I've not yet confirmed this very well. Let me first come here and ask, what is the area? I don't know how are these things slipped out of my mind. What's the area of a square? I know how this thing has slipped out of my mind. Eh? What's the area of a square? I know it is. Is it width times height? Eh? Side times side. Oh, side times side. Side times side. Yeah. It's like that. It's like that. Yeah. It's like that. It's like that. Okay. Yeah. As confirming it as so as perturbing my mind. Okay. It's like this. Eh? This side times side. This side and this side. Eh? This side and this side. I can't say this side is width. I can't say this side is height because all the sides are equal. Okay. It is side times side. Yeah? It is side times side. Okay? Times side. Okay? That is the area of a square. Okay? Side times side. Okay? That is how it looks like. Okay? Okay. So that one was just perturbing me a little bit, but I've gotten to know that. Okay? So it just replaces this 6 centimeters like that. Okay? So if I have that one there, example 3, remember there's a reason why I am giving you this. Yeah? There is a reason why I'm going to explain to you why we are doing this. And it's for good purpose. Yeah? Okay. Calculate for me the area of a square. Area of a square. And I'll see that area in the console of a square. Of that square. I'll see it in the console of that square. Okay? Area of that square is equal to side times side. Side times side. Okay? Times side. Okay? Okay. So I come here like this, I say here, const. Eh? Const. I come here and say side 1. I can even say side 1. Eh? And I come here and say, I said don't begin with 1. Eh? But here you can put 1 this side at the end. Eh? But don't begin with 1 here at the beginning. Don't do something like this. Don't do something like this. First side. Eh? One side. Eh? Then you put like this. Wrong. Eh? Or first side. Put something like this, side 1. Okay? Side 1 is 6 centimeters, as we saw there. Eh? Then const. Eh? Side 2. Side 2 is equal to 6 centimeters, as we saw there. Then area of the square. I come here and say const. Area of the square. Area of square. Area of square is equal to side 1 times side 2 times side 2. Okay? Side 2. Okay? Okay, this is good. And then I come here and say console.log clg. I come here and I say area of the square. as simple as this. As simple as this. Okay. And see how that area looks like 6 times 6. So I want to come here and see how it looks like 36. Okay. It's here 36. Members, wow, this is good. This is good, members. Members, this is good. Okay. This is very good. Okay. Good. Okay. Okay. Now I want to introduce you to a new concept. Yeah. There is a concept I want to introduce to you. I want to put there something, a message, instead of me putting like this, instead of me putting like this, 25, 30, 30, and 60, and 36, I want to say the area of a triangle is 25. The area of a circle of this one is this. The area of this one is that. That's what I want to do. Okay? Okay. So my message here is going to be like this. Look at this very well. I want to come here. Now I want to put a message. Yeah? I want to put, instead of putting something that looks like this is the area of a triangle. Yeah? So I'm putting an area of a triangle is 25. I don't even know whether it's 25 or not. I want to come here like this and put a message. I say that the area of a triangle, I want to come here and put, for example, the area of a triangle is that. Are you seeing it? Is maybe let me say 34 centimeters, like that. That's what I want. Okay? Okay. So I want to come like this. Then I put here my message. I put here my message very well. Are you seeing it? I come here like this. After that has been done, I come here, I put here const. My message. Okay? My message. I come here like this. Message. I put here message of triangle. I say message of triangle. Okay, I put it here. Remember that sentences and texts we normally start with these quotes. You don't just put them like the way numbers we put them. Okay, I put here the area of a triangle the triangle is let me say 32. But is it 32? Let me first check here. The area of it is 25. Okay, 25. Okay. Let me first do it. 25. 25. I am doing like this purposely. I'm doing it on purpose, and I show you. Remember very well that our area is 25. Are you saying our area is 25 here? Mark this. Our area of the triangle is what? 25. Okay? Mark that. So instead of me putting this one, I'm going to just console my message here. I put here a message. Message area of the triangle like this. Okay? Okay, and I want to see it. Area of the triangle is 25. But now I want to put here the 25. What am I going to do to do this? Instead of me putting this one which is vague, you want to watch what I'm going to do. Watch what I am going to do. Members, watch what I'm going to do. Have you understood? I mean, first comment this. I'm going to do like this. Const. Const. Message of triangle. So I've commented that one. I'm going to do this one they call template literals. Template literals. Let me write it here. Template literals. Template literals. I'm introducing a new concept called template literals. Template literals. Template literals. Why spelling is like this? Literals. Okay, yeah, it's like that. Template literals are the ones which are going to enable us to write JavaScript inside here. And we put our JavaScript here. The area of the triangle is that one. 34 centimeters. Are you seeing it? To do this one here, we need what they call template literals. Template literals look like how? Let me show them to you. Go on your before that button where there is one. There is this one which has something like this, which has these weird symbols. Are you seeing it? So these ones here we are seeing here are how they call template literals. These ones you are seeing here. These ones here are seeing here what they call template literals. The button before one, you can press shift, or you can just press it alone, and then it will show you. Press shift, even if you don't press shift, they will be coming. You will see them. These are what they call template literals. These are the only ones where we can write JavaScript. It can help us write JavaScript inside. Have you understood, members? Have you understood? So instead of writing it like this, I introduce what they call template literals. I come, I do like this. Template literals. Then I say the area of the triangle is 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 I want to put 25 the way it's like that. I want to put what JavaScript is giving me, what the console is giving me. I come, I put here, I open here the dollar sign, then I open like that. Then I put here area of triangle like that. Then at the end here I put here centimeters. Okay? Okay? Okay, members? Okay? Okay. So it looks like this. The area of the triangle is this one here. JavaScript enables us. If you want to write JavaScript, you put this dollar sign. I remember talking about the dollar sign. Then you put these quotes here. Okay? These quotes here. Then let me see how it looks like. It's of course console.log message of a triangle is there. Let me see how it looks like inside my console. Okay, it's like this. The area of the triangle is 25 centimeters. Wow. Okay? Okay. So that's the same thing I want to do here, even here on this one for 360. Same thing I want to do. I want to come here. I put here. You see, it was like this, but now I need to put this one here. Area of the triangle. I put it. I insert it inside. I used to think UI is 25. I insert it there. Okay? I insert it there. Okay? Okay. So I want to come here inside where there is my area here. I come. I say message. My message. Okay? I put here const message of rectangle message of rectangle. Okay, and I come here, I introduce what they call template literals. These ones here. Okay, those backticks, they are backticks. You press that button before one. That button before one, it has those backticks. They don't look like quotes, but they're not quotes. Okay, now right there, the area of the rectangle is here I open the quotes there. Open the quotes very well, and I put the area of the rectangle and at the end here I put centimeters. Okay, then I come here, of course the message is here. Instead of putting here a message, I just put here a message of rectangle. Okay, I can remove this message of rectangle. Okay, it's like that. Okay, so it looks like this, and we say it looks like the area of the rectangle is 360. Guys, this is nice. Guys, this is really nice. Even I'm going to do the same for this one here, for the square. Okay. So members, we are now applying. We are now applying the concepts you have been studying. We are now reaching a point where we are applying them into practice. Okay. So I come here like this. We're here where there is area. I come here, I put here message. I put here const message. Okay. Message of square. and I come here like this. I open the template literals there. Then I say the area of the square is and I open here the dollar sign, and I open the quotes there, and I put the area of square. Yeah. At the end here, I just put here centimeters at the end. Okay. Okay. So how does it look like? I come here. You see, it's consoling the area of the square. This is not what I want to console. I want to console the message. Okay. Message of square. Okay. Okay. So guys, this is really nice. We are reaching now our point. Okay. If the area of the square is 36 centimeters. Guys, this is nice. Guys, this is nice. This is really nice. Okay. Okay. This is really nice. Okay. Okay. So members, this is really nice. Okay. Okay. So as you can see here, we have done the area very well. We have done the area as you can see it here. Now and look at string concatenation. String concatenation. Yeah. Before we can close off today's class. Okay. String concatenation. Okay. String concatenation. What is string concatenation? String concatenation. String concatenation. String concatenation. Concatenation. Catenation. Is the way like of is the way of maybe reducing, is the way of separating these texts here with space. Okay? Is the way of separating these texts here with space. All these texts you are seeing here, these are strings. Are you seeing these ones here? They are strings. These ones which have quotes, they are strings. Okay? For example, if I say here, for example, boy. If I say here boy, yeah, maybe this is a ball. This is a ball. Okay? There is something which is called string concatenation, and there's what we are going to do. These ones you are seeing here, they are strings. Yeah? The ones which are inside here. The strings I don't mind the ones here I call as the texts. Yeah? The ones which you normally look like texts. Yeah? Remember for numbers you can just write them the way they are. But for these strings here, you can just put them as text. These ones are strings. They are normally called strings, or they are called texts. Okay? Okay. So for example, I'll show you why string concatenation is very necessary. For example, let me give you an example here. Example 5, example 4. Example 4. Example 4. I have, for example, my name. Eh? My name, for example, my name. What is my name? What is my name? Is my name. Okay? That is a question which needs an answer. What is my name? Okay? How come I say, I want to write my full name. Yeah? What is my full name? What is my full name? Okay? Okay. So I come here and say, my first name, I come here and say, my first name is Clancy. My first name is Clancy. Okay? My first name is Clancy. Okay? And my last name is Ssekisambu. Ssekisambu. Okay? Okay. So my full name is when you combine all of these. My full name is when you combine my full name is Clancy Ssekisambu. Okay? Okay? My full name is Clancy Ssekisambu. Okay? Okay. So how I want to do this in JavaScript? Yeah? I'm going to show where string concatenation comes in. Remember, this is just commented text which cannot be seen. Yeah? It's commented text. Okay? So I come here and say const. Yeah? First name is equal to, I put my strings there, I say here Clancy. Okay? It's there. Okay? Then I put here my last name, const last name. Okay? Last name. I put here Ssekisambu. as you know, in quotes. Ssekisambu. Okay, in quotes like that. Okay. Then my last name, const full name. My full name. Full name is now you see where trouble is going to begin, where trouble is going to begin. Okay? Look at this very well. Yeah? Look at this very well, members. Look at this very well. First name plus last name. We are now dealing with strings, remember. Plus last name. Okay? Okay, members? Okay? Okay? Members, okay? Okay. First name, Clancy, last name, Ssekisambu, full name, first name plus last name, okay? Then I come here and check console.log. I want to see now the what? The full name. Console.log, I want the full name. Okay? How it looks like. Yeah? I want to see how it looks like. Let's go and see. I see how it gives my name on the console. Clancy Ssekisambu, not even any space. I see there's no any space. There is no any space there. There is no any dot of space there. Even if I come and I increase here, for example, are you seeing here? And I increase like this, maybe like up to here. Still, nothing works. Are you seeing it? So what am I going to do? I come here and I do something like this. I put here, I force space. I do like this. Then I put here, for example, I add an invisible space there. There. I force. That's why they call string concatenation. I now put some space there. Now when I do something like this, yeah, it will put some space. Clancy Ssekisambu. You see? You see this space which I've just added here? I've put like an imaginary string, an imaginary space. Okay? Or I can even come like this. Yeah? Someone would say, how are you doing that? Someone could even say like, how are you doing something like that? Yeah? Someone you could even put it there, or there are very many ways. You could either put it the way I have put it there, yeah, like this. Look at this, yeah, the way I have put it here like this. You can either put it like that, then you just put your space there. That's what they call string concatenation. Okay, it creates space. Or you can even create here a variable which is called space. I come here const. Let me first try that and I see. I've already tried that before, but let me first see. Const space. I don't know if it can work. Const space. I create there the space like that. Yeah. Then I come here, instead of putting it there, I come here, I add even space. Const space. Const full name is equal to first name plus space plus last name. I want you to try this, but let me see how it works. It works. You see? So string concatenation is just like putting this space, like putting the space of there inside there, those strings. Are you seeing it? String concatenation is joining strings, It's more of joining these strings, It's more of joining strings, okay? It's more into joining strings. That's why you saw me joining the string of my first name and my last name, okay? Together, okay? Because have you understood this very well? Have you understood this very well? If you have any question, please ask there in the comment section. I see how I can help you. I hope members you have subscribed to the channel, and I hope you have subscribed, because if you haven't yet subscribed, you are going to miss out really a lot. Because when more and more videos come, you'll not be able to get them. Please hit the subscribe button and the notification icon, so that as more videos come, you are able to get them on time. Okay? So that you don't miss out any class. Okay? Okay. Okay? Okay. So members, I feel like everything is good right now. I feel like everything is good right now. Eh? You have learned string concatenation, you have learned area, and now you're becoming a master. You are becoming really a master in this right now. Okay? Okay. So let's just close off today with one last example. Okay? Example. I feel like you're becoming a master. Example 5. Okay? Example 5. Okay. We have a school called a school. A school. We have a school. We have a primary school. It's a primary school. A primary school. Okay? A primary school. Okay? Okay. So the primary school, they have the total number of students in that school are 1,000. Total number of students are 1,000. Total number of students. Total number of students. Number of students are 1,000. Okay. Then the total number of parents no. No. Let me do like this. Total population. Total school population. Total school population. School population. Population is 1,000. Okay. Then I put here number of girls in the school is 366. Okay. Members, note this very well. Eh? Note this very well. Okay. Number of teachers is 112. Okay. Number of teachers in the school is 112. Okay. Okay. Hey. Okay. Okay. The number of of teachers in the school, the total school population. Yeah? Members, you note this. Note this very well. This is something that looks very funny. Looks very funny, but very weird. Look at this. Number of cooks. Number of cooks. Number of cooks. Number of cooks is the total number of cooks in the school. We have, for example, 10 cooks in the school. Yeah? Number of security guards. Number of security guards. Security guards. Yeah? Guards. We have a total number of security guards is we have 8 security guards in the school. Yeah? This is the primary school. We have 8 security guards. Okay? They work morning and evening. Okay? Now, I want you. Now, the number of parents. Yeah? Of course, what you call number of parents. Look at this question. Number of parents we have 14 parents inside the school. Then I pose the question. Yeah? What is the number of boys in the school? What is the number of boys? What's the number of boys? Please tell me what's the number of boys here in this school. What is the number of boys in the console? And in the console, you're supposed to tell me this. Eh? The number of boys in the school is, tell it to me. I'm waiting for that answer. It's that one. Put that answer there. I'm waiting for that answer. That's what I want. In the console. That's what I want. That is what I want. Okay? Okay. So I want you to tell me the number of boys in that school. Remember, there are some weird things which are inside this question. Yeah? For example, girls. Yeah? You see girls, you see cooks, parents. So guys, logic at work. Yeah? Tell me the number of boys in the school. I want to see it in the console. I want to see it in the console. When you're done, comment in the comment section there. We shall see. So we shall begin from here in the next class, okay? And this one will be part of our warm-up, okay? Tomorrow's class, okay? Okay, to be part of our warm-up in tomorrow's class, okay? Okay. So members, don't miss tomorrow's class. Tomorrow is going to be day 35. Okay? Day 35 of our web development course. Okay? It will be day 35 of our web development course, and tomorrow we're going to look at data types. Okay? Data types. Okay? Okay. Okay? Okay. That's been great. I will see you in the next class tomorrow. I'll see you in the next video.